Hey friends, welcome back to the Tech Bro. Let me ask you something. Do you find making presentations slide by slide boring and time consuming? If yes, then today's tool is going to change the game for you. We're talking about Edrawmax AI, a powerful add-in for PowerPoint that instantly transforms your ideas into professional, ready-to-use slides in just seconds. The best part? You can use it both online or directly through the desktop app. Here's how simple it is. Just type in your main idea. Choose a structure style like recommendation, definition, general, specific, or framework, and click Generate. That's it. Your plain text is instantly turned into a clean, polished presentation. Once the slides are ready, you can either download them directly or install the Edrawmax software on your PC for even more advanced tools. After installation, you'll notice a brand new Edra tab inside PowerPoint that unlocks a whole set of AI-powered features. Here's what you can do with Edrawmax AI inside PowerPoint. AI Slide Generator. Enter your topic and let the AI create a complete set of slides for you. Fast, smart, and stress-free. Text to slide converter. Paste your content, pick a structure, and instantly get well-organized, visually attractive slides. AI flowcharts. No more dragging shapes one by one. Just type your steps, and Edrawmax will generate a professional flowchart automatically. Mind maps. Enter your topic or keywords, and the AI creates detailed mind maps with multiple templates and layouts to choose from. Huge diagram library. From architecture plans and marketing funnels to network diagrams and software visuals, Edrawmax gives you a massive library of ready-made diagrams you can drag, drop, and customize. Extra visual enhancements. Add icons, shapes, stickers, or change themes to match your brand and make your slides more engaging. In short, Edrawmax AI takes you from a simple idea to a professional-looking presentation in just minutes. Whether it's for business meetings, school projects, startup pitches, or marketing proposals, this tool saves time and makes your work look impressive. If you want to generate diagrams, flowcharts, or mind maps, the link to download Wondershare Edrawmax is available in the video description. Just click Install it, and you'll see a dashboard like this. Here, you have multiple options such as For You, Edra AI, Project Management, Flowcharts, Mind Maps, Analysis Tools, and more. Down below, you'll also find thousands of local templates that you can instantly try out. Now, let's explore the powerful Edra AI feature. With this, you can turn your ideas into different types of diagrams in seconds, flowcharts, mind maps, timelines, and more. For example, in the recommended section, I'll enter my topic, Essential Collection of Financial Management Formulas. Once I hit Generate, Edra AI starts processing and within seconds creates a diagram. You can preview it, fully customize the layout, change colors, or even switch between light and dark themes. Once you're satisfied, you can export it in just one click. Now let's try the flowchart section. Suppose I want to create a flowchart of the hiring process in a tech company. I can choose either a vertical or horizontal flowchart. Here, I'll select horizontal. Once I hit Generate, the AI instantly builds the flowchart. If you don't like the first version, just click Generate More, and new variations will be ready in seconds. Next, you can also generate a mind map. Just click on it and enter your topic. For example, launching a YouTube channel. You can even use the Optimize Prompt button to polish your text. Finally, hit Generate, and within seconds, your mind map is ready. So, as you can see, with Edrawmax, you can easily create flowcharts, mind maps, and diagrams using just a single prompt. The download link is available in the description. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.